Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable slow mode in a Telegram group chat. This is very useful for large groups where lots of people might be chatting at the same time, and sometimes it can get cluttered when the message intensity gets too high. So to enable slow mode, all you have to do is click on the context menu in the group chat at the top right and click on the Manage Group button. Here, navigate to the Permissions tab and you'll see the slow mode slider. So you can set it anywhere between 5 seconds to 1 hour. For this example, I'll be using 5 seconds. There's an additional option here to not restrict any boosters. So these are like people who have donated to this particular group chat or channel, and they get to circumvent the slow mode restriction. So I'll be testing out the 5 seconds and I'll be clicking on save. So now if I try to type a chat in quick succession, hello, test. Uh, so now if I navigate on over to another account and use the account that doesn't have admin privileges, it should be properly restricted. You can see slow mode is active. Anybody with the admin privilege on this group chat will be able to naturally circumvent this. So that's how to enable slow mode in a Telegram group chat, and it's pretty useful when you're managing a large community. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.